Hi, it's Phil Healy from Inclusive Music. I've had some requests wanting to know how to put some basic drum beats together. So here we go. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the drum machine here, and the MIDI drum machine, where we can create beats and rhythms in seconds with our built-in drum machine. So click on here. I'm going to actually slow that down a bit. It's 120 beats per minute. Let's take it down to 100. To clear the pattern, right-click on the grid and press Clear Pattern. We can audition the drum sounds by either clicking with the mouse or playing the letter here next to the kick drum, which is an S on the QWERTY keyboard. Here's a basic drum beat that we're going to recreate. There are 4 beats in the bar, and this is marked by the kick drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The snare drum is playing on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the hi-hats are playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's start with the kick drum. First beat of the bar, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the snare is going to go on 2 and 4. 2, 4. Let's hear them together. Finally, the closed hi-hat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's have a listen. In the next video, we'll look at how to change the kit and add effects.